Hi, this is Handyman. Today we're gonna show you how to clean out the filter for your washer. And it should be cleaned out every 3 to 6 months, depends on the usage. We're gonna go over all the basics and show you how to do it properly. Your filter is located in this panel, inside of this panel right here. You can remove the panel or just keep it open. This hose is designed to drain the water out of it so you don't have it all over the floor. And you need a shallow like dish. I use this Tupperware piece and get all this water out. By the way, all the tools and materials we used in this video you can find in the link below. Takes a minute to clean it all out, but it will save you time on the cleanup. Especially if your washer on the wooden floor or something that getting soaked, this is better off doing this. Let's empty it. As you can see, it's the lowest point of the washer. So you need a shallow dish like this, and all the water is out, look like it, almost. Okay, plug it back in. Now we're ready to remove the filter. It's still going to be a little bit of water, so get a rag or something to get ready to clean it up. See, all this gunk needs to be cleaned out. You can take it to the sink and wash it, and that's what actually we're going to do. We cleaned out this part and it's pretty clean, and let's clean out the seat where this rubber gasket over here, that's what prevents it from leaking when you're putting it on. So this has to be cleaned as well, this side. Just use the paper towel. And clean it as best as you could. On this filter, it's got a little notch here. And if you look inside, see that little plastic piece, make sure they are aligned when you're putting it back in. Another thing I like to do, I use this waterproof grease, and I put it just a little bit around this gasket so it doesn't bind when you're putting it back in and tightening it. Use your finger, make it nice and smooth, covered in grease. You can do this on this side as well, but I think it should be just fine. Now you align this notch with that plastic and screw it back in. Okay, once it's in there, it should be holding perfectly and it should not be leaking. In order to test it, we're going to put this back and turn on the washing machine. Rinse and spin. And wait for the cycle to go on. And wait for the pump start pumping out water. Wastewater pump will kick in, and that's where you check in. Okay, once the waste pump comes on, you look at the bottom right here and make sure nothing is leaking from this pipe right here. If it's not, after the cycle, you can just close it up and you are good to go. Let's tuck this drain hose back where it belongs and put the cover back on. And of course, after you do any kind of maintenance on a washing machine, just keep an eye on it for next couple of washes so it's no water over here. I also recommend device. This is I'll put the link for this device in the description below. All it is, it's a Wi-Fi connected battery operated water sensor. You attach this sensor to the baseboard, and if it is flooding, you will get notification on your cell phone. Again, you see no water coming out, which is good, and we are done. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos. Thank you.